Loves.
I mean,
What is the reaction of the people if I cook tuyo and then they going to smell here and outside? Are they going to call police?
hell yeah, they will. That shit stinks.
Nag-aart,
Gosh.
nag-aartida.
Like unwashed feet that's been in socks all day long.
If you have a neighbor loves that cooking tuyo, are you going to call police?
Hell yeah, they're gonna think you have a dead body in your house.
Ew, dead
Yeah.
body.
Yeah, babe.
Nag-aarte na dito. Yan yung, dati ka kasi say nga, tumawag na talaga ti police, nagluto ka ti tuyo. Lalo in our old place before, diba, the neighbor is near. I know, it's empty. I still have.
The neighbors near wow.
Near our house before, the
Yeah.
old. And it's easy for them to call police, right? Because they smell our house.
Yeah.
But now, the good thing that we are far, so it's okay for me to cook tuyo
Yeah. Outside.
outside, not inside. Di na kaya.
Yeah.
Tapos,
We got you prepared. We
and
got
then I'm
you a
going to eat
one-burner.
outside.
Oh. What do they have? Dirty kitchen in the Philippines. Outside. Right? There's a reason for that. They don't want anything that you've got to wear a shower cap on your head to cook to keep it from getting the smell getting in your hair. Oh, not good.
Tapos tatan, I'm conscious na the smell of tuyo because of them.
Babe, anytime you got to wear a shower cap to cook anything, that's not good. Not good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. It might taste yummy to you.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Well, why do they have dirty kitchens in the Philippines? Huh? Why they have dirty kitchens?
Because of the dirty food. Ay,
Because of the dirty food.
dirty food.
What dirty food?
Dirty kitchen, dirty food.
Because it stinks and they don't want the stink in their house. Diba?
Diba? Oh, you have a point
Oh.
again. Nangabak ka ba na?
Ding, 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 ding. One for me.
Okay, Nina.